Welcome to a journey through time, exploring the evolution of one of the most important household appliances, the washing machine. From ancient methods to modern appliances, the washing machine's history is a testament to human innovation and the relentless pursuit of convenience and efficiency. In the beginning, washing clothes was a labor-intensive task, involving pounding garments on rocks or rubbing them with abrasive sands, then rinsing the dirt away in streams. The Romans introduced a crude form of soap, made from ash and animal fat, which laid the groundwork for more sophisticated cleaning methods. By the late 18th century, the scrub board revolutionized laundry, allowing clothes to be cleaned with a tub and a ridged wooden board. However, it was in 1782 that Henry Sidgier made a significant leap with the patent of a washing machine featuring a rotating cage, a precursor to the modern drum. The National Washboard Company's introduction of the metal washboard in 1833 marked another step forward, reducing soap usage with its zinc-ridged surface. But it was James King's 1851 invention of a drum-based washing machine that truly changed the game, setting the stage for Hamilton Smith's rotary washing machine in 1858. William Blackstone's gift to his wife in 1874, a machine capable of washing dirt away, became the first washing machine designed for home use. Yet, it wasn't until Alva J. introduced the electric-powered Thor in 1908 that the path to the modern washing machine was truly set. The mid-20th century brought about significant advancements, with the first automatic washer released by the Bendix Corporation in 1937, featuring a front-loading design and the ability to perform multiple wash cycles. By 1957, washers were equipped with buttons for various settings, leading to the introduction of microcontrollers in the 1990s that made washing machines more affordable and efficient. The turn of the millennium saw the emergence of high-efficiency washers, marking the latest in a long line of innovations aimed at improving the efficiency and convenience of washing machines. This incredible journey from rudimentary washing boards to sophisticated computer-controlled machines highlights not just technological progress, but a shift towards making daily life easier and freeing up time for more important pursuits. As we look back on the history of the washing machine, it's clear that this humble appliance has had a profound impact on society, transforming not just how we do laundry, but how we live our lives. Ready to experience the magic of premium kitchen appliances? Browse our selection of premium brands at townappliance.com and find your perfect fit.